Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on delete document action. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the delete document action include? How can a deleted document be recovered from the recycle bin? How can a document be permanently deleted from the DMS? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access, along with DMS form access. Additionally, the document must be in the check-in stage. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document, checkout, check-in, undo checkout, delete, move document, forward, document access, send email with QR code, chat, attachment, subscribe, unsubscribe document, copy document, download, workflow, upload, in document, out document, enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Delete document. The delete document action allows authorized users to remove documents from the document management system, DMS. This feature provides two options. Delete document, which removes the entire document along with all its versions, and delete document latest version, which deletes only the most recent version of the document. If a document contains only one version, deleting the latest version will result in the complete removal of the document. Only users with the appropriate permissions are allowed to perform delete actions. Once deleted, the document is moved to the recycle bin if it is enabled in the DMS configuration. Otherwise, the document is permanently deleted from the system. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the AP Invoices 2025 folder to view all the uploaded documents. Then, select the Toyota invoice document and click the three ellipses next to it. These are the document actions available in the DMS. Please note that the delete action is not visible if the document is in the checkout stage. Since the selected document is currently in the check-in stage, the delete action is visible. Select the delete action from the list. This will open the delete document pop-up on the user screen. The user has two options. First, delete document latest version, which removes only the latest or recent version of the document. Second, delete document, which removes the entire document from the system. By default, delete document latest version is selected, but the user can change this option based on their requirement. Currently, I am selecting the default option. Click OK to proceed. After clicking OK, a confirmation message appears on the user screen indicating that the document is attached to the window record and asking, "Are you sure you want to delete the attachment?" This message appears only if the document is attached to a window record, otherwise it does not appear. The user clicks OK again to provide the confirmation, and the document is successfully deleted. After deletion, an info message appears on the screen indicating that the Toyota Invoices document has been successfully deleted with revision 2. Click cross icon to close the message. As shown in the document details, only version 1 remains because version 2 has been deleted. In the related document link, the document attachment to the window has not been removed because only the latest version of the document was deleted. If the entire document is deleted, then the document linkage to the window is removed. If the recycle bin is not enabled, the document is permanently deleted from the DMS. However, if the recycle bin is enabled, the deleted version appears in the recycle bin. To navigate to the recycle bin, click the hamburger button to open the left panel. Select the recycle bin folder to view the list of deleted items. As shown, the deleted Toyota invoice document with version 2 appears in the recycle bin. In the recycle bin, documents are permanently deleted by default after 30 days. However, The user can change this duration from the DMS configuration screen, which was already covered in the DMS master setup videos. If the user wants to permanently delete this version from the system, they can click the delete icon, and the document version will be permanently removed. For now, I am not deleting it permanently. To recover the document from the recycle bin, the user clicks the Recover Document icon, and an info message then appears on the user screen, confirming that version 2 of the document has been successfully recovered. This feature is helpful when a document is accidentally deleted. To verify, the user navigates to the folder from which the Toyota invoice document was deleted. Select the AP Invoices 2025 folder and click the Toyota invoice document to open its details. The document details page opens. As shown, 2 versions of the document are now visible, indicating that the previously deleted second version has been successfully recovered. To view the document's activity, the user navigates to the Activity tab, where actions such as the deletion and recovery of the document are displayed. There is also another way to delete the document linking at window level, which will be covered later in the attachment video. So, in this video, we have covered the delete document action. The remaining actions will be explained in upcoming videos. Thank you.